In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a formula in Microsoft Excel using the dollar sign. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can help maintain the integrity of your calculations as you work with your data. Whether you are a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, understanding how to lock cells can make a big difference in your spreadsheet management. First, open up your Microsoft Excel file. Once your file is open, you'll want to navigate to the specific worksheet where you have your data. This can be a new sheet or one that you've been working on for a while. The process is the same. Now take a moment to locate the cell that contains the formula you wish to lock. This is important because you want to ensure that the right formula doesn't change when you copy it to other cells. Once you've identified the right cell, click on it to make it active. You'll notice that a thick border appears around the cell, and the formula will show up in the formula bar at the top of your screen. With your cursor positioned on the cell, it's time to get specific. You want to place your cursor right in the middle of the letter or the reference in the formula where you want to add the dollar signs. This step is crucial because it determines which part of your cell reference will stay constant. Next, you need to press the F4 key on your keyboard. This is the magical function key that automatically adds the dollar symbols to your cell reference. What this does is lock a specific part of your formula. By pressing F4 once, you'll lock both the column and the row. If you were to press F4 again, you would lock only the row, and another press would lock just the column, cycling back to a fully unlocked state with another press. Most often, you'll find yourself needing to lock both the row and the column. Using the F4 key is particularly useful when you want your formula to refer to a fixed position within the spreadsheet. This is essential for formulas that involve constant values or calculations that shouldn't change when dragged across cells, like in financial models, reports, and data analysis spreadsheets. Once you've pressed F4 and are satisfied with how your cell reference looks with the dollar signs in place, it's as simple as hitting the Enter key. This confirms the formula with its locked components. Now, when you copy this formula and paste it to other cells, the locked sections of your reference will remain fixed, ensuring consistent results. And just like that, you've learned how to lock a formula in Excel. It's a straightforward technique, but one that will save you time and reduce errors as you work across complex data sets. Practice using it in different spreadsheets to get comfortable with its impact and flexibility. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Excel tips.